It does not always start with a fight. Most of the time, it is quiet, deceptively calm. You could almost trick yourself into believing nothing is wrong. That is the slow, creeping damage of a narcissist. This is not about a few nasty words or a slammed door. It is a quiet invasion of your mind. They get under your skin, they make you feel small, and they do not stop until one day you look in the mirror and barely recognize the person staring back. It is so hard to see the pattern when you are stuck in the middle of it all. But once you take a step back, you begin to notice the quiet ways they dismantled you. So, let's talk about it. Let's shine a light on the 10 ways a narcissist breaks you down from the inside out, so you can finally start putting yourself back together. 1. They make you question your own mind. You start second-guessing every little thing. Did I really say that? Am I remembering it all wrong? They will tell you you are being too sensitive, overthinking, or just being dramatic. What they are really doing is planting seeds of doubt until you can no longer trust your own version of reality. 2. They become the editor of your life story. Bit by bit, they twist your memories. That thing that definitely happened, apparently, it never did. And that thing you know for a fact did not happen. Suddenly, it is part of your story. It is how they knock you off balance until you feel like you are losing your grip. 3. They chip away at your confidence. It starts small, a backhanded compliment that stings, a joke that cuts just a little too deep, the deafening silence when you have something to celebrate. They constantly move the goalposts, so you always feel like you are falling short. It does not take long before you forget you were ever confident in the first place. 4. They quietly cut you off from your support system. They rarely demand you stop seeing people. It is more subtle than that. They will make it awkward when your friends are around. Before you know it, you feel isolated, with them as the only person you have left to turn to. 5. They punish you with the silent treatment. When you have done something to upset them, even if you have no idea what. They do not always shout. They simply disappear. They become cold and distant. A brick wall. It makes you desperate, scrambling to fix things, often apologizing for something you did not even do. 6. They make everything your fault. Somehow, you are always the one who misunderstood. You are always the one who overreacted. They can hurt you, and by the end of the conversation, you are the one saying sorry. You start to think, maybe it is me. Maybe I am the problem. 7. They pretend to be your soulmate, then reveal their true colors. At the start, it feels like magic. They are just like you. They love everything you love. They finish your sentences. But it is an act, a carefully constructed mask, designed to hook you in. And once you are hooked, the mask slips, and the person you fell for is replaced by a cold, uncaring stranger. 8. They steal your joy. All the things that used to make you light up, your hobbies, your passions, they will belittle them, dismiss them, make you feel silly for even liking them. You slowly stop doing the things you love. You stop laughing so freely. You stop dreaming. You become a watered-down version of yourself. 9. They leave you utterly exhausted. Living with them is like walking on eggshells. 24/7. You are constantly trying to read their mood, fix the atmosphere, and say the right thing. It is emotionally draining. 10. They make you forget the person you used to be. This is the most heartbreaking part of it all. The slow, quiet forgetting. You forget your own strength. You forget you have a voice. You forget your worth. You forget that you are a whole person long before they ever entered your life. But here is the one thing they count on you never remembering. You can find your way back. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.